What is the value of x? I want to cancel out the y's, so I can double this top equation. 2x plus 2y is equal to negative 18. I'm going to subtract all three columns straight down, so I can flip these signs. And now I have x, the y's go away, and I have 7. And there's my answer. What is the value of y if xy is an answer? So I want to get rid of the x's. So I'm thinking 12. If I triple this and I multiply this by 4, my new equations read negative 12x plus 16y is equal to 16. The bottom equation, 12x minus 9y is equal to 1.5. If I add all three columns straight up and down, the x's go away. I'm left with 7y is equal to 17.5. If I divide both sides by 7, this is going to give me y is equal to 2.5. If xy is a solution, what is the value of x? So I want to cancel out the y's. So I'm looking at 12. So I'll multiply this by 4 to get to 12, and this by 3 to get to 12. So negative 9x plus 12y is equal to 60. 24x plus 12y is equal to 60. If I subtract all three columns straight down, the signs flip. So that brings me further negative here. So this is negative 33x. The y's cancel out, and this gives me 0. So x is 0. If xy is a solution, what is the value of y? That tells me I want to cancel out the x term. If I look at the x terms, I could take the top one and multiply it by 4, and that'll give me 8x plus 28y is equal to 16. And I'm just going to subtract all columns up and down, so the signs will flip. The x's go away. This becomes 24y, and this becomes 4. So if I divide, I get y is equal to 1 over 6. And you could also write this as 0.166 or 0.167, or even as 0.166 or 0.167. If the solution is xy, what's the value of x? I want to cancel out my y's then, which is tricky. You might have to go all the way to 42. So I could take this times 7 and this times 6. Then my new equations will be as follows. It's not pretty, but it will do the job. If I add all three columns straight up and down, I have 95x is equal to 28.5. So x is equal to 28.5 divided by 95. If I divide, this gives me 3 over 10, or just 0.3. What is the x-coordinate of the intersection of these? So I want to cancel out my y's. If I triple the bottom equation, I can use elimination. So this gives me 4.8x plus 1.5y is equal to negative 3.9. So if I add these, I have 7.2x. Y's cancel out, and this is negative 3.6. If I divide, this is going to be negative 1/2. If the solution is x comma y, what's the value of 2x? So don't forget to double it. This is already set up for elimination. If I add straight down, I have 2x is equal to 14. And really that just means I can stop there. I don't have to solve for x and then double it back. If xy is a solution, what is the value of x? So I'm just going to make all these negative and add straight down. So I have negative 4x, the y's cancel out, is equal to negative 1. So x is equal to 1/4, or 0.25.